3 ways to lower your cortisol and feel like yourself again. Balance your blood sugar. High cortisol, blood sugar spikes. Start your morning with a savory breakfast. Skip the oats and bananas. Try eggs, pea plus avocado, plus sourdough toast, or chia pudding with coconut milk and berries. This is my go-to low-sugar granola for busy mornings. Use adaptogens that actually work. Ashwagandha and rhodiola are backed by research to reduce cortisol and support your mood. Take them in the morning with food. Most people feel a difference in 7 to 14 days. Restore energy at the cellular level. When cortisol stays high, it doesn't just drain your nerves, it wears out your mitochondria. That means fatigue, poor sleep, mood swings. Natipus is a coenzyme found in every cell. It's essential for turning food into energy, repairing cells, and managing stress. But age, lack of sleep, and chronic stress drain NAD+ fast. Studies show that NAD+ supplements support mitochondrial health, improve focus, and reduce inflammation. Ready to feel like yourself again? Head to my TikTok shop and grab your bottle of NAD+, the one I trust.